So it's August the 7th, 2024. Long time since I've been on video. A lot has happened. I am making my way back to the Southern Hemisphere. The house is sold and I'm currently in the Lake District and in Patterdale, a side farm camp. And yeah, I've now got the next month and a half, 2 months, travelling through Scottish Highlands and Wales, mountain biking and camping. So just what I needed, and yeah, looking forward to getting back. And apprehensive. I've given up a lot, but I also know I'm going to gain a lot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to miss England big time. So one last hurrah, and then off to the Southern Hemisphere. Whinlatter Forest, day 3 of the trip so far. It's been raining the entire time, so it looks like Helvellyn is going to get away from the game because it's fairly bit of a gnarly route and I don't really want to risk that in the wet. So here, found this mountain biking centre, so looking forward to it. It's a day on the trails. Officially unfit. So we're making our way up to here. Place fell. It's all up a loop of about 7 to 8 kilometres.